Question 1. Anterior interosseous nerve is a branch of A. Radial nerve, B. Median nerve, C. Ulnar nerve, D. Axillary nerve. Answer is B. Median nerve. Question 2. Olecranon process of ulna helps in formation of which part of ulna itself? A. Radial notch, B. Trochlear notch, C. Olecranon fossa, D. Coronoid fossa. Answer is B. Trochlear notch. Question 3. True about clavicle? A. Endochondral ossification, B. Vertical, C. No medullary cavity, D. Rarely fractures. Answer is C. No medullary cavity. Question 4. Bicipital aponeurosis lies over which structure in cubital fossa? A. Ulnar nerve, B. Radial nerve, C. Brachial artery, D. Anterior interosseous artery. Answer is C. Brachial artery. Question 5. Nerve running along with profunda brachii artery in spiral groove? A. Ulnar, B. Median, C. Radial, D. None. Answer is C. Radial nerve. Question 6. Intracapsular but extrasynovial. A. Long head of triceps, B. Long head of biceps, C. Short head of biceps, D. Medial head of biceps. Question 7. Structure related to deltopectoral groove? A. Axillary artery, B. Cephalic vein, C. Basilic vein, D. Radial nerve. Answer is B. Cephalic vein. Question 8. Common interosseous artery is a branch of A. Brachial artery, B. Radial artery, C. Ulnar artery, D. Profunda brachii artery. Answer is C. Ulnar artery. Question 9. True about blood supply of scaphoid? A. Mainly through ulnar artery, B. Major supply from ventral surface, C. Major supply from dorsal surface, D. Proximal supply in antegrade fashion. Answer is C. Major supply from dorsal surface. 10. Inferior angle of scapula is at the level of A. T4, B. T5, C. T6, D. T7. Answer is D. T7. Question 11. Dermatome in the thumb and index finger region is supplied by A. C5 and C6, B. C6 and C7, C. C7 and C8, D. C8 and T1. Answer is B. C6 and C7. Question 12. Radial styloid process gives attachment to A. Extensor carpi ulnaris, B. Extensor carpi radialis, C. brachioradialis, D. anconeus. Answer is Question 13. Cephalic vein drains into A. Brachial vein, B. Axillary vein, C. Inferior vena cava, D. Subclavian vein. Answer is B. Axillary vein. Question 14. True about boundary of triangle of auscultation. A. Latissimus dorsi. B. Medially by scapula. C. Medially by trapezius. D. Laterally by trapezius. Answer is C. Medially by trapezius. Question 15. Carpal tunnel contains all except A. Median nerve. B. Flexor digitorum superficialis. C. Flexor digitorum profundus. D. Flexor ulnaris longus. Answer is D. Flexor ulnaris longus. Question 16. 18 coracobrachialis is pierced by which nerve? A. Axillary. B. Median. C. Musculocutaneous. D. Ulnar. Answer is C. Musculocutaneous. Question 17. Muscle that cross both shoulder and elbow joint. A. Coracobrachialis. B. Medial head of triceps. C. Biceps brachii. D. Brachialis. Answer is C. Biceps brachii. Question 18. Material components of placenta derived from A. Chorionic frondosum. B. Decidua basalis. C. Decidua capsularis. D. Decidua parietalis. Answer is B. Decidua basalis. Question 19. The most common site of fracture of the clavicle is A. Medial end. B. Lateral end. C. Midpoint of the clavicle. D. Junction of the medial two-thirds and the lateral third. Answer is D. Junction of the medial two-thirds and the lateral third. Question 20. All of the following parts of the scapula can be felt except A. Acromion process. B. Crest of the spine. C. Upper border. D. Inferior angle. Answer is C. Upper border.